Good evening, ma'am. The thing what you have asked how to send and receive the assignments through Google Classroom is that I'll just have a video demo for you, ma'am. First, download the application. Download the Classroom Google Classroom application so that that will be convenient rather than doing the same thing in the online. So that when you have the application, I hope you know this, ma'am. When you download this application, before I think I have a video posted in the group, ma'am. By that you'll be getting the basics of that. So towards your left side, on the top of your left, you'll be having an symbol here, ma'am. So that just click over there, select the respective classroom, ma'am, for which you wanted to post. So just select the classroom. Here I have a list of 6 classroom groups. If not, even you can create another thing, ma'am, just by going here, classroom folders. Okay, one sec, so that you can create that, ma'am. I'll just show that in another video. But if you have a group, just go select on this. Okay, by selecting this, just enter into the classwork thing. Here you have a plus symbol towards the bottom. This thing usually you will be having the plus symbol towards the right bottom of the iPhone, but I think you will be having this in the top right side of your mobile. So click on this. Here you have a list of things, ma'am. Assignment, question, material, reuse, post. Assignment is the thing what we give them and we ask them to write, so that when we can allot the marks. Question is nothing but the same thing like the assignment. Material is nothing but the notes. So just click on the assignment. Here, ma'am, you can have a topic. Say for an example, since you're handling the subject, so you'll be having the respective topic of that. So just enter that, and points, it's nothing but for how many marks you're giving the assignment. That is what the thing. Here you can click on whichever number you want, ma'am, whether it's for 20 marks or 10 marks or whatever you want. Just make it as save. Okay, and due date optional, ma'am. By the time, how to get the data. So say for example, today is of 13th May, you need to get that by 16th of May. So click on 16th. Okay, and time is optional. You can create this, nor automatically it gets stopped at the night, that is of 12, the midnight of 12, automatically that gets receiving the post. And the subtopic, whatever topic you want, you can have a subtopic of that. So the next important thing is that how to post a question is that just on the right side, ma'am, look at this pin button symbol, just click on that. You can click on any of this, ma'am, either from the drive nor from the link, or by using a camera or taking photos or some even this. Yeah, ma'am, this is how you can create this. You can take a photo, and just after taking a photo of this, just this arrow mark button, that is the send button, will automatically, that will be highlighted. Just post that so that all the guys in the classroom, I mean in the Google Classroom, can see the things whatever you post them, ma'am. This is how it works.